Hello. Stream time, and I just see we got a vote. Broke the tie. So, I guess that means the theme that we're going for this week on, well, this season on Design a Car is Nuclear Noir. So, that is this vehicle with the noir theme design styling, sort of like a 40s Batmobile with a nuclear reactor, steam powered car. I think it could be fun. So yeah, I put a poll on Instagram and to my patrons, and it ended up coming to a tie, even with my patrons getting their double vote. We have our winner. So this is what we're going to go with. I think this is going to be... Alright, so now we've got to turn this little 2D design into something 3D. And all we've got is this basic little sketch. So we're going to start out by getting a little bit of basic shapes. I have got just some little dummy models that I smacked into the scene, just so we can get some human scaling. Yeah. This is, oh, I forgot to mention that this is for, so the same people that I did that one thing for previously, the Mars rover thing. This is for 3D annual car render challenge. So same people, but in this case it is any kind of car, not a Mars rover. So one thing I've just realized about this design is how the hell do you get in? We've got these wheels sitting right up here by the cabin, so we need to actually just have a pull them back a little bit so we can have a over here. So now another thing, a question. Are we going to do, like we did in the sketch here, a 6-wheel design, or are we going to go for 4? Because what we're going to do is we're going to have, if you remember, this is a nuclear powered steam car thing. So it is powered by the same way a steam locomotive is. So the piston is going to the back end over here. We might change that, but I thought that was just a cool, unique take on a drivetrain for a car. Oh yeah, so we want to have a nice cool green glowy stuff. That's a big element of this design. So I think this section over here, we need to go and add like a cutout or something. Alrighty, so that's part 2 of Let's Build a Car. Got some basic design down now, and then we'll be back next week, Thursday, where we'll start actually further blocking that out and making more features. Then I'll be back on Sunday. We're going to do a game stream for Spooky Month, and I'm going to play Alien Isolation, the scariest game that I've probably got in my library. Alien movie, maybe alien chases you, and yeah, you can watch me piss my pants. Alright, thanks everyone for joining me. I'll see you then.